Welcome to the new segment of the grade 10th. We are discussing economics in that second chapter, sectors of the Indian economy. So, three sectors already you know that the primary, secondary, and tertiary. So, these three sectors also they are having historical changes. The historical changes are happened so to the in the economical development. So the when we taking the examples of these three sectors from beginning, the early man to the from first century to the 21st century. In early man also they are the producing crops, but they are not selling to anywhere. The how the period it will be changed, the when the rulers, mahajanapada, janapadas, as well as the kings, king, emperors, and the companies, they are the started the ruling our country. That time the so many changes are happened in these three important sectors. Those are the involved in a economical development. Yes. So first we are starting from when we turning the history pages, the people, the when they are the started, the landlords. Yes, landlords who are the having a huge land. They are the producing crops. Large number of crops are the produced by them. These landlords, they are taking the who are the landless laborers or the landless people. They are the involving in that land. And when here we can see here the first one, they are the who are the having the huge land. They are the taking a people to work to involve. Yes, they are the giving a opportunity, employment opportunity, they are the providing in a primary and a secondary sectors. And when the market system, the trade system, it is introduced and started in those periods, what the production has produced by the agriculture, they are the taking those things to the market. That is by the using of the cart. Those days carts, and nowadays we are the using wheel, two wheelers or the four wheelers is for the transportation. So not only these agriculture traders, craft persons, garland makers, yes. So these are those people also involved in these three sectors. The buying and the selling, they are the involved in by these sectors. And transportation, nowadays they are the giving us services. Those days also they are the giving us services. Now also they are the giving us services by a people, doctors, teachers, yes, army. Such a people, they are the involved in the third sectors. And the which goods we are the using, most of the goods they are the coming by the naturally, by they are the involved the natural product. Yes, so natural products, they are we are the using at present also, in olden days also they are the used. Here we can recall the people who are the tribal people who are in a forest, who are living in a forest. Those people, they are the giving a forest product to the as a revenue for to the rulers of the particular areas. And the nowadays in a old to new methods to the naturally the where development will be start, the naturally invention also will be start. As we fulfilling our needs by the using the new types of the invention, new types of the methods we are the using for to the manufacturing, the where the production will be started is. So we can take an example here, the weaving of clothes, the cotton, they are the making is cotton, they are the using the uh, handlooms, is handlooms they are the using. And when the invention of a power loom is happened, the automatically they are involved in the power loom, it will be changes to tradition to the modernization. So the after the modernization also, the industries, factories, they are the involved in these activities. So new type of the invention starts, and these factories, industries development, it is happened by to the primary sectors, secondary sectors, as well as tertiary sectors. Here large numbers of the people, they are the involved in the three sectors also. And these methods, when we'll understand deeply, when we'll understand, when we'll read the historical changes in our history textbook, as we can recall here 8th standard, how the people are the involved to the tradition to the modernization, how they are when they are the started the growing the indigo, yes. And the when the power looms are the involved to that cottage industry has collapsed, yes. The different types of the clothes are the introduced in in the market. So we can recall this all the history chapters in a previous years. And the which products they are the produced in a factory, they are the very less cost. Now also which are the handlooms products are there, cottage products, cottage industry products are there, they are the little higher price to compare to the these factory product. And generally these secondary sectors, they are the most important for to the all the production and employment. These three sectors also, they are the changing for primary to the secondary, secondary to the tertiary sectors. The main important here, the main motto, main goal of these three sectors, one is the development of the economy, the second one is the giving the employment, and the development of the country. It is a main very important of these three sectors. The most of the people the working involved in the sectors, that is a service sector, the secondary sectors, and the total production of the employment of the people, and the changes the happening in the countries because of where these sectors are developed. So the government also is making the so many schemes for to the development of these primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors. For the reference, you can refer 10th grade textbook. Thank you.